Have you ever been dancing through the fields, thinking to yourself, this is too good to be real? Have you ever seen a castle in your dreams? That's what it sometimes feel like to me. Oh, oh. And I know now every part of me says you